Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to update the email address on your Runna account. It's totally doable and it's totally fine. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually change the email address in Runna app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, to the honest truth, Runna does not currently have a direct change email button within the app itself. So you cannot simply edit your email address yourself, but if you try to log in with your new email, it will create a new account, not linked to your old one if basically you know what I mean. So what we must do here in this situation to change our email? We need to contact the Runna support directly, so all we're gonna do now is open the app here, wait for it till it fully opens. Okay, we are waiting, then go all the way and tap on login. Use the old email address and password, then go and look for the support tab. Tap on it, then send them a message. Include your old email and your new email. They will handle the switch for you manually, don't even worry about that. So while you are waiting, do not create any new account. Your training plan, history, and even progress are tied to your old email itself. So Runna support is the only safe way to move them to your new address. Don't even try any third-party tools, since they may basically add some viruses to your own account, they may trick you, they may take your data or even sell it at the worst case. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.